corn.
Oh, they got me.
No.
No, I just got done saying to stay.
I'm
Oh, shit.
sorry.
It's completely overrun here, guys.
Yeah,
No
we
wonder.
just let it go.
This is a fucked up. I don't think I'm gonna make it. But I'm gonna kill somebody. One. Some lucky person. Oh
I'm
no
getting
no.
double teamed. Yeah, I'm dead.
2. Rogue. You definitely got to kill this rogue.
The rogue is the one that's been just whooping my ass.
And I'm on him.
Just because, I mean, he interrupts everything.
Somebody's healing the shit out of him.
Alright, let's switch
We got the
focuses. Let's get on that healer.
Is that which one's the healer? My kill all healers thing is not working.
He's back here.
Oh, I got another guy. I'm on this. What the fuck is he? Oh, I got him. Now my healer.
We're
thing's
making
working.
some little progress.
Yes. And that's
There we
that.
go.
And this tank's
Now they're all
gonna
dead.
die.
That's a decent healer to be able to
Yeah.
Yeah.
work their team like that. That's
But we were.
impressive.
Yeah. He was keeping that rogue alive, man. We have 4 bases now, by the way.
Damn right we do. Brett, don't mess around.
Got him.
Jesus Christ.
I think.